What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Today we have a handbag unboxing. It is from Geiger. I got somewhere to be tonight, y'all, so we gonna make this quick. I know I say that all the time, but I mean it this time. All right. So if you are interested in seeing what the new handbag is, keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let's get into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all. So the outfit of the day is a Kai collective look. Listen, I told y'all, like, I've become an addict. I need the whole website, basically. But the shirt is from Kai Collective. It is this oversized brown shirt. I have it styled with this laser cut skirt. The shirt is in a 1, the size is a 1. The skirt is in a small. Definitely could have got an extra small as far as the skirt goes, but I got the small and it is what it is. The shoes, I have on my Sam Edelman Mimosa Gold heels. The sunglasses, y'all know, it's Miu Miu. The bag is my Bottega clutch, and for the fragrance of the day, we have Main Character by Viva More Parfums. I absolutely love this look. It's very over the top, but yet still like very high fashion, New York, Sex in the City, but like black vibes. Love that, y'all. 10 out of 10 in love. Like, the looks have just been, they've just been coming at me. They've just been coming out me. Now this one isn't, they have just been coming out me, y'all. I don't know what to tell y'all. But like I said, I got somewhere to be, so let's get into the handbag unboxing. All right, y'all, so the bag is here. First of all, I wanna say this. I appreciate all the new subscribers that I have gained. I appreciate that the girls have been watching my shorts and hopefully enjoying my 30 days of styling what's in my closet. I really do hope y'all enjoy that. This will be in that later on, you know, maybe like in the 20s or something like that. This will be there. But of course, I know I will also link it in the description. I need to say this real quick though. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Like, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all so much. But listen, I need you hoes to watch these videos too. Yeah, that's, you heard I said, I need you hoes to watch these videos too, okay? Cause like, where y'all going? Where y'all going? What about? I need you to watch these two. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your cousin. At this point, tell your brother. Tell whoever the hell you need to tell. Watch Angelle videos and watch it to the end. Don't be disrespectful. Don't be disrespectful. I don't want to. Watch my shit to the end now. I'll try to make them shorter. Try. You watch my shit now. If you catch somebody clicking off my video, say, girl, I know you ain't clicking off Angelle shit. Okay? I'm just saying. I need you to, come on. How we gonna grow if y'all ain't watching these too? Come on, stop playing. But anyway, y'all, this is my first Geiger bag in such a long time. Geiger bags are novelty, right? I feel like Geiger is known for very novelty bags. Like, there's no other way to put it, right? However, I saw this one, right? Well, let me say this. I saw this colorway and I was like, oh my goodness, I love that colorway. I have a pair of shoes that'll go with it. And that it's such a summer bag. It's fun and it's summer. Does it still have that Geiger novelty like look about? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And when I say novelty, I low-key mean like clown. I hate to say that, like clownish. It can be very just like clownish or campy, not always in a good way, sometimes in a really good way, sometimes in not a good way. And you know, because of that, I really don't gravitate towards Geiger bags. Like, sometimes I feel like they're made for children. Like, you know, because like children like campy things. You know, you'll see a children with a bear backpack on or something like that. You know what I mean? So campy, novelty, clownish, childish. So I don't gravitate towards their bags so often. Now their shoes, Geiger has amazing shoes. So I'll gravitate towards their shoes, but a lot of the times their bags are just too immature. I saw this colorway and was like, oh my gosh, I love this colorway. Looked at some of the bags, saw this one that we're about to unbox, or unbag rather. And I was like, yes. Yes. Is it still novelty? Yes. Does it still have that level of camp and immaturity? For sure. But this is like a beautiful, like super cool, super cute, super fun, super flirty, but yet still youthful summer bag. Now, I didn't talk enough about the bag, girl. Let's just pull it out. Y'all, is that not, hold on, I have the tag. Is that not adorable? Let me come closer and show y'all. Look at this super cute Kurt Geiger bag. It has these kind of like, the handles, they don't feel wooden, but they're, you know, they're hard handles. This little chain detailing here, and then it has this little flap to kind of like protect your stuff from falling out, okay? And it also comes with a crossbody strap. So this bag is very, very reminiscent of the Lady Dior. Mind you, also I didn't say it, but this little twilly came with it. The twilly came on the bag, which is something else that I absolutely love. This bag is very reminiscent of a Lady Dior. And I think that is what made me pull the trigger, because a Lady Dior, I'm not gonna hold you. I know that the young girls have it, but every time I think of a Lady Dior, I think of an old hoe. I'm sorry, y'all. I've seen younger women rock it and eat it down, but when I think of the Lady Dior, I think of old hoe. Listen, don't fight me. Don't beat me up, y'all. I'm just being honest. This, okay, it's kind of like that Lady Dior boxy, you know, look. Feet at the bottom, we love that. We love a top handle with feet. Crossbody strap, but then still a fun, flirty summertime color. And it was only $258. I said, sign me up. I said, sign me right on up. Y'all, I absolutely love the colorway of this bag. This is such a fun summer bag. Like, come on. Hold on, let's put the little strap on it. I don't necessarily envision myself wearing it with the crossbody strap too much, but I always love when you have the option to do it. Like I feel like every bag should come with the option of a crossbody strap, and it seems like the strap is adjustable. Not too much, but adjustable nonetheless. Let's put it on the shortest adjustment and see where it falls really quick. It still looks really long, but let's see. I can take that to the leather shop and have them like shorten it. But oh, that falls perfect. Actually, see, look at that, y'all. This is a really stinking cute bag. Like, I mean, y'all, really cute, okay? Again, it does have that novelty aspect to it, but I think this bag is adorable. Let me see if we can fit the essentials. Y'all know I don't carry around too much, but let's go ahead and see real quick. All right, y'all, y'all know this is pretty much my essentials. I have my card holder, okay? That fits in there just fine. Lip liner, hand sanitizer, a little coin pouch, lotion, lipstick, and then my sunglasses. Hold on, I'll take them off. Put them in a little pouch and then put them in there. all of that fits in there comfortably, y'all. Nah, you know, a bitch like me ain't sitting here giving you no dimensions or nothing like that. I'm sorry that I'm not that thorough. But all of that fits in there just fine. To be honest, I don't need no more than that there, okay? Listen, you fit them little essentials, girl, that's all we need, okay? But yes, I also love, you know, it has the Kurt Geiger. I don't know what that is, an eagle or something like that. This one, it has the little sunglasses on it. Is that not so stinking adorable? It's adorable. I will say it also is kind of childish, but you know, I just told y'all the goddamn brand always be making them childish ass bags, so you know, it fit the aesthetic. But I think this one in particular, I think it's the shape that sold me on it. Cause I mean, yeah, like, that's cute. That is cute. Y'all comment down below and let me know. Is this not the perfect summer bag for the youth in you? Okay, that's what it's giving. For the youth in you, that's what it's giving. I love it though. I love it. I love it. I think it is very cute. I love the fact that it comes with a twilly, because y'all know I put twillies on my bags all the time. That's just one of the things that I love to do. The strap falls just right. The colors, yeah, 10 out of 10. And then it was $258. Now that can be, you know, the price is relative on whether it's expensive or not, but compared to some of my other bags, this one I got, you know, pre-loved, and it was $1,700. Mind you, it's Bottega, but still, you know, $258, $1,700, $258, $17. I'm gonna take the $258. What the hell? You know, so there is that. But y'all, that's all I got. Don't got any more. Comment down below. Let me know. Do we like the outfit of the day? Hopefully. And do we like the bag? Are you going to be picking this bag up? Also, do you like the colorway? This colorway comes in a couple of other styles. So if you don't pick up this bag in particular, but want to pick up the other ones, let me know which one you're gonna pick up. Also, are you a Kurt Geiger fan or are you not? Like I said, I love their shoes, but the bags are always a hit or miss for me. This one, for sure, is a hit. But again, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Angell's Life and on TikTok at one Angell's Life. Also, make sure you hoes are watching my videos. These long form videos, okay? If I'm making videos that you don't want to see, then comment down below and let me know, well, what do you want to see? Because I need you hoes to watch. Thank you. Just kidding, y'all. I love y'all. No, I'm not kidding about the watching part. So I don't know what part I'm kidding about, but just know I'm kidding about something. But, you know, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.